Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your project uses the right Sqlite plugin for your workflow and have developer tools ready. Install the package and link if required. Once done, open or create the database on AppLoad. You then immediately execute a create table, if not exists migration to establish schema stability. Make sure to wrap initialization in a promise or a sync function so subsequent code only runs after the DB is ready, preventing race conditions and missing tables. You now implement the core CRUD flow, open a transaction, execute SQL with parameter binding, and handle results in callbacks or async-await wrappers. Once done, build helper functions for insert, update, delete, and select that reuse prepared statements and transactions to keep operations atomic. Make sure to convert raw row data into Java script-friendly shapes, normalize types like dates and booleans, and batch operations, when possible to reduce I/O, and improve performance. You finish by integrating lifecycle management. Close the database or pause connections on unmount and handle app backgrounding. Then add robust error handling that logs SQL errors, inspects error codes, and falls back to safe migration or schema reset when necessary. Once done, thoroughly test on devices and emulators. Make sure to clear app storage for schema changes during development. If something goes wrong, check permissions, verify plugin installation and linking, and enable verbose SQL logging to trace the failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.